Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun, one of the most popular Class C motorhomes on the market today. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or a first-time camper, this model offers a blend of convenience, comfort, and modern technology, making it an excellent choice for your next adventure. In this video, we'll walk through the features, design, performance, and everything else you need to know about the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun. Let's start by talking about the overall design of the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun. This RV is built to provide a luxurious, yet functional, experience on the road. It features a sleek exterior with vibrant graphics and a sturdy frame, built to last through years of use. The exterior is not just about looks, it's designed with convenience in mind. The 2025 model comes with a power awning, LED lighting, and plenty of exterior storage, making it perfect for those long road trips. You'll also notice the spacious side doors, which give you easy access to the storage compartments, so you can pack everything you need without worrying about space. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an inviting, well-designed interior. The 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun offers a variety of layouts, all crafted to maximize space and comfort. The living area features plush seating, including a sofa and recliner, perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving. Many of the layouts include a dinette or a booth-style seating arrangement, ideal for enjoying meals with family or friends. This RV is designed to accommodate up to 6 people, which means there's plenty of room for everyone to stretch out and enjoy the journey. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. The 2025 Leprechaun offers a fully equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stovetop, a convection microwave, and a large refrigerator. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking a full meal, this kitchen is built for versatility. The countertops are spacious, providing ample room to prepare your favorite dishes, and there's even a deep sink for easy cleanup. Storage is a big plus in the kitchen area, with cabinets above and below the countertops to store all your kitchen essentials. For those who love to cook, this kitchen will definitely meet your needs. Moving on to the sleeping arrangements, the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun has several options to ensure a restful night's sleep. The master bedroom is a cozy space that typically comes with a queen-sized bed, ample closet space, and under-bed storage. If you have kids or guests, don't worry, there are additional sleeping options, including a convertible sofa bed, overhead bunk, or even a pull-out bed in some layouts. Each sleeping area is thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind, and you'll find that the bedding is high quality, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep wherever you are. When it comes to the bathroom, the 2025 Leprechaun doesn't disappoint. The RV features a spacious bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The shower is large enough for comfortable use, and the bathroom offers plenty of counter space and storage for toiletries and other essentials. Some layouts even include a separate toilet and shower area, which adds a level of privacy and convenience, especially when traveling with multiple people. Overall, the bathroom is designed to feel like a home away from home, providing all the necessary amenities for personal care. One of the standout features of the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun is its technology. The RV is equipped with the latest tech to enhance your travel experience. A key feature is the touchscreen control panel, which allows you to easily control everything from the lights to the awning and the HVAC system. You'll also find a premium sound system, with speakers both inside and outside the RV, so you can enjoy your favorite music no matter where you are. For entertainment, there are flat-screen TVs in the living area and the bedroom, and you can stream content thanks to the RV's built-in Wi-Fi and satellite capabilities. When it comes to driving, the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun is designed to make your journey as smooth as possible. It's built on a Ford E450 chassis, providing plenty of power for long drives. The engine is a 7.3-liter V8, which offers a great balance of performance and fuel efficiency. This motorhome also features a smooth transmission system, which makes the ride feel stable and comfortable, whether you're on the highway or navigating through city streets. The RV's handling is excellent, and its compact size compared to larger Class A motorhomes makes it easier to maneuver in tight spots, such as parking lots or campgrounds. Another impressive feature of the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun is its safety technology. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera system, which makes driving safer and less stressful. The RV is also designed with a sturdy frame and reinforced side walls, providing added protection in case of an emergency. For those who value safety on the road, the Leprechaun offers peace of mind on every journey. Storage is always a top priority for RV owners, and the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun excels in this area. In addition to the exterior storage compartments, which can easily hold your camping gear, tools, and outdoor equipment, the interior has plenty of hidden compartments to store your personal items. The overhead cabinets, underbed storage, and large wardrobe space in the bedroom ensure that you won't run out of space, no matter how much you pack. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun strikes a good balance. While RVs aren't known for being particularly fuel efficient, the 7.3-liter V8 engine offers reasonable gas mileage for a Class C motorhome. Depending on the terrain and your driving habits, you can expect to get around 8 to 12 miles per gallon, which is comparable to other vehicles in its class. The RV's large fuel tank ensures that you can travel long distances without needing to stop for gas constantly, making it a great choice for road trips and extended stays. Another important factor to consider when buying an RV is how easy it is to maintain. The 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun is designed with reliability and ease of maintenance in mind. The RV is built with high-quality materials and is backed by Coachmen's reputation for durability. The engine and other mechanical components are relatively easy to access, which means that routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks can be performed without too much hassle. Plus, Coachmen offers an excellent warranty program, which gives you peace of mind in case something goes wrong during your travels. If you're someone who loves the outdoors, the 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun has features that cater to your adventurous spirit. The RV is equipped with an outdoor kitchen, allowing you to cook meals outside and enjoy the fresh air. There's also a built-in outdoor shower, which is perfect for rinsing off after a day of hiking, swimming, or exploring. The RV's large windows and spacious layout provide great views of your surroundings, allowing you to feel connected to nature while still enjoying all the comforts of home. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the price. The